Welcome to my channel guys. Today we will be making a tutorial of how to make a morph art design in PowerPoint. So let's get started and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay guys, let's make a new slide. Go to insert a shape. Always make sure no outline to the shape. Make sure 1.56 to height and 1.81 to width. Rotate it 90 degree. Looks good. Now what you'll do is hold Option and Shift key from your keyboard and drag. We made it. Now we will go to insert icon. Let's insert 8 icons randomly. I will choose random. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and insert. Now right click, format object, fill this color. That's good. Now place at the center and now let's group it. First fill any color, say format, fill. I am filling randomly. You can fill of your own choice. Now let us group the all. Right click and group. Okay, we have made our design. Now what you'll do is duplicate the slide number 3. Select all the shapes by holding left key of mouse and dragging. Align center and middle. Let's make this side. Duplicate again this. Hold shift key and just drag. Again duplicate it. Shift key. Repeat the process. Duplicate the slide. Duplicate the slide. Duplicate again. Again duplicate it. Hold shift key and we're done. Okay, now select all the slides. Hold command key or control key from keyboard and just select all. Go to transitions, morph transitions. Okay, and let's see how it look like. Slideshow. Okay, it works. So guys, our tutorial is complete. Hope you enjoyed my video and don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. Stay tuned for more updates. We will be meeting soon on next videos. Bye guys.